I wish we were having one of those 114 degree days down in Phoenix, because it was cold and wet today.
Be nice for about, I'd say, 5-10 minutes.
Just to get the sense of what it's like to be a chicken on a grill.
Exactly. Well, this morning's storm generated a little bit of snow bright and early this morning, but it turned into rain just in time for the morning commute. Now, here's the live shot that we have right now as the storm is exiting the southeastern part of the state. It is rapidly moving away and kind of dissipating as it moves into Colorado and also into Wyoming. So this is the live shot we have right now from the backside of Sun Valley Ski Resort. I'll tell you what, any way you slice it, that's a beautiful sight right there. I'll have the snow report here in just a second. But there goes the storm system. If you have any plans on traveling I-84 down towards Utah or off into eastern Idaho this evening, just know the storm is rapidly moving out of the way. My primary concern is now that the storm is moving out of the way, humidity levels are so high that we could see a little bit of fog starting to form later on tonight. Very dry all across the Treasure Valley according to the Doppler radar. So this is our first system, the first little impulse that's moving through. This is the drier weather we get tonight. This is the leading edge of the next storm, but notice how the flow just is coming in right out of the west. With this kind of a moist westerly flow, you get one impulse after another after another, with the next round that's going to be moving in tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, and yet another volley of shower activity that's going to be moving in on Sunday. However, with each one of these successive storms, what's happening is they're getting warmer. That means instead of snow in the mountains, now we're going to be talking about mountain rain and snow mix. Snow above 7,000 feet by Sunday, and the valleys are just going to be getting any shower activity that falls at this point is strictly going to be in the form of rain. So here's our futurecast. Let me take you to tomorrow morning, just around 8 o'clock in the morning. Notice it's going to be dry. We may have a little sunshine in the morning. Don't let it fool you. Look for increasing clouds with the next potential for showers starting to move into the area by tomorrow late afternoon and tomorrow evening. I think it's going to be a little rain-snow mix, or it could start out as snow in the mountains, but eventually this storm is going to mix out the cold air and we'll start seeing things turning into more of a potential for rain in the mountains, or at least rain below 7,000 feet on Sunday. But there's the next system that just kind of brushes by the state on Sunday. Then after that, Martin Luther King Day on Monday, looks like the weather is going to be mostly dry. So here's the forecast then for tomorrow. Look for increasing clouds. It'll be dry in the morning, afternoon showers, and then evening rain expected with temperatures right around 35 to 36 degrees. 7-day forecast then for the Treasure Valley. Here comes another chance of showers again on Sunday. It gets drier on Monday, which is a holiday for a lot of folks. Then next week, it's going to be dry. The question is, will we go into aversion? I don't want to think about it right now. Let's just say it's going to stay dry. 7-day forecast for the mountains. We'll see a little burst of snow tomorrow, and then it'll warm up and change over to more of a rain-snow mix on Sunday and a few showers early Monday, and then turns drier and nice on Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, let's look at that ski report, shall we? Okay, Brundage has had 7 inches of new snow out of the storm system. Bogus Basin got 4 inches. Hallelujah. I love these numbers. I love it when I get to talk about this kind of stuff. Tamarack, 3 inches. Sun Valley only picked up 1 inch of snow out of the storm. It really focused more on the southwestern part of the state. Pomerel has had no new snow. Anthony Lake's got 3 inches of new snow. Grand Targhee got 1 inch. Soldier Mountain got 1 inch. And I'm hoping for a little more. But again, the primary concern is that with each one of these storms that comes in now, they're going to be milder in origin. Hence, they're going to be putting milder air on top of the mountains, which means precip could be rain-snow mix or rain below 7,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, luckily, your model there said under Brundage this weekend, Gear and Beer Fest. You know?
Who can miss out on that?
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if it rains or snows or whatever happens. Okay.
They'll have fun.